Good morning, students. We were discussing about greenhouse gases, and we discussed that how the level of these gases are rising beyond their limit and causing global warming. What is global warming? It means, children, in simple terms, that the earth, our planet, is getting hotter day by day. Children, global warming, greenhouse gases in the atmosphere trap the heat of the sun. We have discussed that carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor, CFC and ozone, these are the greenhouse gases, and they trap the heat of the sun and they do not allow the heat to be out, okay, to get out of it. So, if this gases, their level rise above the beyond limit, then what will happen? The earth will become warmer day by day, and there is a rise in temperature on the earth. This is called global warming. Our earth is getting hotter, warmer day by day. That is called global warming. Children, last century there was an increase of 1 degree Fahrenheit of the temperature. It is expected that next century it will increase by 2 to 6% degree Fahrenheit. Just imagine how hot the earth would turn to be. We are experiencing the effects of global warming, isn't it? Our summers are longer than the winters. Winters are shorter. We are experiencing different type of natural disaster which is caused due to this global warming. The effects of global warming on the climate, children, are melting of polar ice, which we discussed in the previous modules. That the high mountains, the peaks of the mountains are covered with ice, and there are glaciers, even in Himalayas, the glaciers, because as you rise up, what happens, the temperature is very cool and it turns into ice, sheet of ice called glacier. Now due to the rising temperature, these ice, this is nothing but water, will naturally get melted. So the icebergs which we discussed in the Arctic region, Antarctic region, they are also melting, which will cause the rise of water level in the seas and ocean, which will cause flood, frequent flood, okay? Rise in the water level of oceans, flooding of places near the sea. These are the immediate effects of global warming. Children, other effects are also there of global warming. As you can see, species migrating polewards and upwards, even when it is warm. The migratory birds will also not be migrating from their original home. Ocean water will be heated, sea ice will be melting, the level of sea level will go up, trees will not be able to grow properly because of the heat of the sun. Okay, sea surface temperature, then our stratosphere, ozone layer is becoming thinner, and due to that it will not allow the radiated rays of the sun, the ultraviolet rays, to reach the earth's surface. Temperature over the land will be rising, temperature over the oceans also rising, humidity will be, less of rainfall, glaciers will be melting. All these will create a real problem to us. These are the indicators of global warming. Children, there are impacts of global warming, changing of rain and snow pattern. Rainfall pattern will change in animals' migration and life cycle. As I told you, animals will be not migrating much because the winters will become shorter, less effect, but summers will be longer. Okay, less snow and ice, high temperature, heat waves. We are experiencing heat waves. Just imagine this year, in our place Gujarat, we have very short winter, isn't it? The days are quite warm and stronger storms, more droughts and wildfires. Yes, because of the heat of the sun. What happened? There will be wildfires, there will be forest fire, more droughts. Droughts means less of rainfall, which will result in the drying up of agricultural land. So these will change: warmer oceans, rising sea level, damaged corals. The corals will also be damaged underwater and in the plants you have. So these are all the effect of global warming. Thank you, children.